New genuine original Dell AC adapter with non-retail packaging. Output 5 volts, 20V2A, 2.25A, USB Type-C tip, USB-C. Compatible SKU or DP N 0 HDCY5 over 0 CO36Y 02 VP8G 04 RYWW. Compatible factory model LA45 NM 150, AW45 New Mexico 150. Compatible computer model XPS 13-9350-9360, 9365, 9370, 9380, Latitude 7275, 7370, 5175, 5285, 5290, 2-in-1, 7390, 2-in-1. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. I have purchased multiple chargers with the small round peg plug-in style. Not sure what that type is called. But this USB-C charger is so much better. Those others were always loose-fitting, often accidentally pulled out of the connection spot, and eventually stopped working altogether. This one fits tightly, charges well, and stays put. I ordered this one by accident, and at first I thought I would have to return it. Didn't even realize there was a USB-C charger option or that I could use it with my laptop, tech dummy, but such a happy accident it was. Love this charger. Same as the one I lost. Identical to my original Dell charger, and works just as well.